everyone, welcome back to 30 Days of English Mastery.
Hello, hello. It's day 2. How are you today?
I'm great, Mark. Yesterday we learned how to introduce ourselves. Our name, our country, our job.
Yes. And today, we are talking about something very special.
Something very important, too. Today's topic is my family and relatives.
Family. I love this topic. Everyone has a family, right?
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your family in English, easily and confidently.
So, quick reminder before we start.
If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. We post a new episode every single day.
And don't forget, leave a comment below. We read every comment.
Okay, Mark, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the basic words. Mark, who is in your immediate family?
Good question. My immediate family is my mother, my father, and my sister.
Nice. Let's repeat these words together, everyone. Say it with me. Mother, father, sister, brother.
Very good. Now, Lisa, do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a small family. There are 4 people. My mom, my dad, my brother, and me.
How old is your brother?
He is 25 years old. He is older than me.
Ah, so he is your older brother.
Yes. And if he was younger, we would say younger brother. Same with sisters. Older sister or younger sister.
Great tip. Let's practice a simple sentence pattern. I have a slash and blank.
For example, I have a younger sister. Or, I have an older brother.
Try it yourself at home. Pause the video and say your sentence out loud.
Now let's talk about parents. Mark, are your parents married?
Yes, my parents are married. They got married 30 years ago.
Wow, that's a long time. My parents are married too, but my aunt is divorced.
I see. Let's learn some useful words. Married, divorced, single.
Good words to know. Now, Mark, what does your father do?
My father is a teacher, and my mother is a nurse. What about your parents, Lisa?
My father is an engineer, and my mother is a housewife. She takes care of our home.
That's wonderful. Let's practice this pattern. My father slash mother is a slash and underscore underscore underscore.
Try it. Think about your parents' jobs and say the sentence in English.
Now, let's talk about grandparents. Lisa, do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have a grandmother and a grandfather on my mother's side.
Are they still alive?
Yes, they are alive and healthy. My grandmother is 78 and my grandfather is 81.
That's beautiful. I visit my grandparents every weekend.
Same here. We say grandparents for both grandmother and grandfather together.
Let's repeat. Grandmother, grandfather, grandparents.
And what do you call your grandchildren? If you have children and they have children,
Then you are a grandparent, and the children are your grandchildren, grandson or granddaughter.
Now let's move to extended family. Aunts, uncles, and cousins.
My father's brother is my uncle. My father's sister is my aunt.
And it's the same for the mother's side too. Mother's brother is uncle. Mother's sister is aunt.
What about their children?
Their children are your cousins. I have 5 cousins, 3 boys and 2 girls.
Wow, that's a big family gathering at holidays.
Yes, very big. Let's repeat these words one more time, slowly. Uncle, aunt, cousin. This word is the same for male and female.
Good tip, Lisa. Cousin doesn't change for boys or girls.
Correct! Now, here's a fun pattern to practice. I have blank cousins.
For example, I have 5 cousins. Try saying your own sentence. Okay, now let's learn how to describe our family members, not just name them.
Great idea! For example, I can say, my mother is kind and funny.
And I can say, my father is tall and hardworking.
Let's learn some simple adjectives. Kind, funny, hardworking, tall, short, friendly.
These words help you talk about personality, not just appearance.
Exactly. Try this pattern. My blank is blank and blank.
For example, my sister is smart and friendly. Try it with your own family member.
Perfect practice. Small sentences, big progress.
Okay, let's put everything together now. Lisa, can you introduce your family using everything we learned today?
Sure, watch this. Hi, I'm Lisa. I have a small family, 4 people. My father is an engineer, and he is very hardworking. My mother is a housewife, and she is kind and funny. I have one older brother. He is 25 years old. I also have grandparents, and I love visiting them every weekend.
Wow, that was perfect. Simple sentences, clear words, and everyone can understand you.
That's the secret, Mark. You don't need complicated words, just simple, clear sentences.
So, my tip for today, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking about your family is easy once you know these key words.
Practice every day, even just 1 or 2 sentences. That's how you build confidence.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn.
In the comments below, write a few sentences about your family. Use the patterns we learned today.
For example, I have 2 brothers. Or, my mother is kind and funny.
Don't worry about mistakes. We love reading your comments, and we'll be there to help you.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with a friend who is learning English too.
And subscribe if you haven't already. Tomorrow, on day 3, we're talking about daily routines.
You don't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. You're doing amazing.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.